Hey guys, it's Kylie. I'm going to throw together a quick dinner tonight for my mom and I because for my sister's birthday dinner, I am personally allergic to what they are having for dinner. So what I've done is I threw some chicken, like the salsa chicken in the Instapot with just some salsa and some boneless chicken breast, and I made my salsa chicken that I make all the time. I am basically doing taco soup with chicken, which I've never done it with chicken. I've always only ever had it with beef, so I'm interested to see if I like it like this. I am adding a can of corn. I don't drain any of this stuff. I use the jars as it is. I'm going to do 2 jars of Rotel. And then I'm doing a can of pinto beans, I'm doing 2 cans of pinto beans. And this will have some leftovers to it so that Joe can have some lunch later in the week. And then I'm also adding in, light red kidney beans. My mom always made taco soup for us growing up. It was one of my favorite meals. I have to, so I'm stirring it all up. I'm gonna add in some water. I don't measure, by the way, guys. Next, I'm adding in some taco seasoning. I'm doing a smoked taco seasoning, so it's gonna have like a smoky flavor, and I think that's gonna be really good. And then I'm adding in a ranch packet. This is also from a local vendor to me, and this is a smoked ranch seasoning, so I think that's gonna be really good. And then I'm just gonna have it heating up until my sister's birthday dinner tonight, and I think it'll be perfect. This is gonna be on low for about 4 hours. So I think it'll be perfect. I haven't used this very much yet, this slow cooker that I got, simply because I'm just putting it on 6 and I'll stop it. Simply because I only cook for one person, but since I'm cooking for several people tonight, I figured I could just use it for once. So there we go, taco soup. I love y'all.